Hello everyone and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. I'm so glad you could join me. This is Dawn. I'm here to share a quick product reveal video for the Whimsy Stamps Slimline Heartbeats die. This is a 6-piece Slimline die set. You get the rectangle border die, Thinking of You sentiment, 3 different size solid hearts, and you get a bigger heart that makes an outline of a heart where the center comes out. I'm going to die cut the pieces out so you can see what they look like. The rectangle border measures 8.5 by 3.5 inches, and then you get the center of the rectangle that measures 7 7/8 by 2 3/4. You have this heart that measures approximately 1 7/8 wide by 1 7/8 tall, and it cuts out the middle, which you can interchange with different colors, which is kind of nice. You get 3 solid hearts. The smallest is a 1/2 inch tall, and the largest is 1 1/8 inches tall. The Thinking of You sentiment is rather large. It measures approximately 6.5 inches long by 1 inch high, and you can see how beautiful the font is when I put it on a white piece of paper. And I love the little hearts at the end of the sentiment. I did make a card to share with you. I paired the Slimline Heartbeat die with the new Stethoscope die set. I used the Gnome's Get Well stamp set, the UGG word die, and I used the diagonal dots embossing folder for the background. That completes my product reveal for today. I hope you enjoyed this release. Don't forget to head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website and check out the entire release that is available today. Also, we would love for you to subscribe to all the Whimsy Stamps social media platforms so you don't miss out on any new releases and great inspirational videos. As always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a wonderful day.